Hi, sending messages with RoboTalker is very simple. Once you have an account, log in. You can do this on your cell phone or you can do it on the web. You'll be presented with the interface with 3 groups to do: who, what, and when. You pick a group of people to send it to. You pick what you want to do. If you want to do a voice message, you can pick the message for live delivery, and you can pick a separate message for a voicemail. Notice this is highlighted so we can play the message to get both messages.
This is Walpole Selectman Chris.
And the voicemail message will be a totally separate message. The system can determine the difference between a voice and a live message. You can make a text-to-speech message based on text that we have, which would be, so this would be part of the Gettysburg Address. You can also dynamically insert the person's name. So if you have a contact list with Bob Smith on it, you can insert his name. You can say, hi, # name, # comma. So it'll say, hi, Bob Smith, 7 years ago. This won't do it for the preview, but you can get an idea what it sounds like.
Hi, #name, 7 years ago our fathers brought forth on this continent.
So that's for text-to-speech. That'll be played over the phone. It's the same message for live and for voicemail for text-to-speech. They're typically informational messages. School is closed, things like that. SMS, same way. You can insert a message. You can also insert a name. So you can say, I think you understand what I'm doing here. Hello, name. And that'll be inserted into the SMS message. This is how many characters you have left. You're in the second message already. You can update this. So that's under one SMS message. After we do that, we can say when. So let's do this. We have 2 recordings we're going to use. You can send them in the future. Today's the 12th. I can send them on the 29th at 6 a.m. And I want them to go as soon as possible, 6 a.m. Or if I want them spread evenly from 6 a.m. till 10 p.m. or 6 a.m. to 8 p.m., the first 2 hours, I can do that. It'll evenly distribute the calls over that time period. The caller ID I can change, and it saves the last caller ID you used. I'll cover that in another video, how to set up your preferences and settings. I can set up a name here for the campaign, ABC calls. And that's it. I hit complete. The calls are scheduled. It scrolls you down here, and you can then see the call jobs that you have. Now you might notice I have multiple groups here and different names. Let's see how to upload some phone numbers. So we'll go here and let's get rid of these groups. That's how easy. Just click on them in the trash can, and they're all gone. I left the one tester group. We're going to use that a little bit later. And we can also, let's upload some names and numbers. It's a test list. These are CSV files. It will only allow you to select CSV files. Let's hit the upload. Here's our numbers. Here's our groups. Late pay phone, sailboat, SMS. You can search for things. Let's say Betty. No. Let's say Bob. So you can find people to update them if you want. Let's say Aaron. There's Aaron. Let's update Aaron. And Aaron changed his phone number. And he's Aaron Williams, not Williams. Submit. And Aaron is now Aaron Williams, and we changed his phone number. Fairly simple. If I say, oh, I didn't want the SMS one, I didn't want the sailboat group to come in, I just delete it. That's it. Now if we have an external list that we update constantly with new names and numbers, you don't have to delete the contacts here, you just upload it again. So if I grab the same list and upload it, it will just only insert the ones that aren't there. So it's pretty easy to maintain. Now we need something to send out. So let's say a voicemail message. We can either record it on a smartphone and upload it. You can either use this interface down here and record it with the PC, or you can call a telephone number. This is the number that you call, and this is a 4-digit key that you put in, and here's instructions on how to record. Fairly straightforward. Let's choose a test message, upload it, and that's it. Test message, there it is. We can play it.
Hello.
Let's go up. Again, we can schedule calls now. We have a Sailboat group. We can then pick a message for live, a message for voicemail. Let's pick this one. Play them if we want to. I want to send them out immediately because the school's closed today. And do that and hit complete, and the calls will be scheduled. That's it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to make a couple more on how to edit your data and things like that. Thanks.